Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my little life channel. In my previous videos, I use products called Dylon machine dye and dyed lots of different clothes like those. Also, I've tried one hand dye. Machine dye only works for cotton and certain materials, but with hand dye, you can use for wool. And in this video, I'll try for cashmere. As you see here, I got blue marks on my sweater by accident, so I decided to make it into red. This is outcome. I think it's gone great. In my case, Dylon didn't ruin texture of cashmere at all, and then get very solid, nice colors. As a part of experiment, I also put this black cashmere sweater and it didn't damage the materials either. For color, I used tulip red. And in previous video, I used tulip red machine dye for those. So in this case, it's going to completely red, like this red. And then I was hoping it would be similar color, but unfortunately, it's gone for more like a pinky. After several experiments, I realized we cannot predict the color precisely. So this is something we have to enjoy and take a chance. Personally, I don't mind having a pink instead of red in this case. And here I'm showing you quickly how I've done. The most important thing is check instruction. I use bathroom and bathtub for whole the process. So firstly, we have to soak clothes. Then prepare 6 liters of hot water. Water for shower seems like just right temperature, and use empty bottle to measure the amount of the water. Then dissolve 250 grams salt. Open the packet of dye and put into stainless steel bowl. And dissolve with 500 ml hot water. Then add dye into hot water. Mix it and ready to dye. Now add maximum 250 grams fabric. To get proper solid shade, don't overload it. Then now, instruction says, stir for 15 minutes, then stir regularly for 45 minutes. I'm slightly confused what does it mean exactly. So what I've done is keep stirring continuously for 15 minutes. And then after, leave it something like 10-15 minutes. Mix it again. And I repeated this process for 3 times. So this means I soaked roses total 1 hour. So after 1 hour, rinse it with cold water. I think we have to rinse at least 4 or 5 times. Keep changing the clean water. After keep repeating this process several times, finally the leftover water getting almost transparent. Then wash with detergent as usual. I use bathroom because that's the only option to me. It's okay with using bathtub cleaner. All the dirt and color will go easily. But if you have a choice, probably garden or outside will be the best place to do that. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it useful. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.